Y'all, back at you for our 7th episode of Planting Pirates. And it's actually our first episode of Planting Pirates, but we're going to be planting the plants from our Plant Pirates episode 7. So just so we don't confuse anybody, we're going to call this episode 7 of Planting Pirates.
Yes.
Sound good, babe?
Yes.
All right, so this is episode 7 of Planting Pirates, where we plant the plants that we found on our Plant Pirates episode 7.
Yes.
All right, so that's what we're gonna do, y'all. We're gonna go around our yard and our garden and plant all the plants that we got from that episode.
We're gonna bury our treasure.
And we're gonna bury our treasure. That's right. We've had them sitting in these buckets now for 2 days, or probably only a day, I guess, because Plant Pirates was yesterday. Yeah, so they've been sitting in a bucket with a little bit of water for about a day and a half to just rejuvenate them a little bit. But we're gonna hop in our pirate ship here, the Queen Anne's Revenge, and go plant these, eh?
Yeah.
All right, let's get going. I already know where the first, where I want to put one of the first ones, so we'll go straight there. All right, here we go. We got a new little garden started over here, right by this door here. So we're gonna pop in. What we're gonna pop in? This here, I'll hand it over to you.
I think we're gonna do
Pop in another.
Yeah, to have a multi-trunk yucca.
Get this yucca out of here.
And maybe pop in a little cordyline.
Pop in what?
A cordyline.
Yeah. All right. For these guys, I just go ahead and rip a couple of these bottom leaves off. Like that. Clean this up some. Pop this guy in the ground. And you can see this other yucca next to it. We put in the ground a couple weeks ago, and it's doing good. Look for this one too.
This one's a little in a little rougher shape than the other one, but
I sat out for a little longer, but it'll make it.
I think so.
It will. All right, then we're gonna do what? Like a quarter line too?
Uh-huh.
Oh, these are pretty. We already have this one right here. Maybe I should do a tie. Oh, I already have a tie too. I'll do this one.
That's a different tie.
Yeah, I know.
You know? And there's no like pink over here, you know? Like,
good idea, good call.
add a little flavor. That one's cool. I like the little leaves on that one.
Yeah. See, I'm gonna have this one like kind of popping out, maybe right here. Jungle.
Little cow manure.
Yeah, we basically just have sugar sand in a lot of parts of our property, so these plants can use all the help that we can get. Put all this stuff over here. Pop this one in right here. We'll come back and water all this stuff later.
Looks like it might rain.
Yeah,
so
it does. It's kind of
even
what
better.
we were thinking when we went out. It's done before it rains.
Perfect time to plant. 'Tis
All right.
the season for the thunderstorms. All right, looks good.
Yeah, well, let's move down to the next bed here.
Nice. All right, let's keep moving. ready for free plants.
All right, so we're gonna put a lot of them in this bed, I think.
Yeah. So that, I'm gonna just put so they can see how much water you put in there.
Yeah. These guys out from down here.
Yeah.
These are gonna go in 2 different places.
So there's about, I don't know, let's say
2-3 inches.
2-3 inches of water in the bottom.
There's actually no water in the bottom of this. I put water in it, and I just realized that I have holes.
There's a hole in it. Yeah.
I have holes drilled in the bottom of it.
I think I filled that one up too.
Yeah. All right, pop some of these guys in. So this is going to be a bed probably for us, some stuff like bananas and papayas and stuff, but we're going to also pop some ornamentals in here too. So
yeah. Those cordyline are great. They take up barely any space, and you can control the size. I mean, they do get big, but it's just as big as you want them to get.
Yeah.
Sometimes Brent uses a crowbar and just sticks a crowbar in the ground to make a deep cavity for these guys. Looks nice.
Ready?
Yeah.
That one right there. I'm gonna do 2 of these over here too.
Okay.
Maybe all 3 of them.
I was gonna say we could do the trio.
Yeah.
There you go. That's how you get them. You buy them in the store.
Yeah. Maybe, in fact, I'm not gonna do them there. Because I'm gonna have a banana right here, I think.
Uh-huh.
So
Use these ornamentals to kind of like separate them.
Break up the, yeah. Oh, look at that. Never know what you're gonna find.
Too bad we didn't find gold. Arr.
Oh, we're gonna find gold one day.
These
Plant
plants are gold.
Yeah, here we go. We're planting our gold right now.
Yeah.
Where's my stuff? Where's my... Come on. Two. Go like that, maybe.
That dirt looks pretty good.
Yeah, it did.
I guess the bushes that were there had like tiny little leaves that mulched the area.
I think the closer we get to the river, the better our dirt is.
Uh-huh.
Well, to some point, at least.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Nice.
Is it okay for the mulch to be touching the bark of these?
Yeah, I'll pull it back a little bit. There we go.
All right. What else can we do here?
Alright, we got this other quarter line.
We got this, which we should put by the pool, we think, or?
Well, I want to split this up, put it in 2 different areas, just to be careful, because I don't want to lose this stuff. So
Do we want to put one in front of this quarter line right here?
maybe just to the side of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. And then yeah, we'll have a variety of bananas in the middle. Let me do 3 varieties of bananas here.
Yeah. That's a cool little plant.
That's a cool little
Excited about that one.
Hope it does
That was
something
a
for us.
good find. Now we need some bananas. Some more bananas.
Plop some of these bottom leaves down here. There we go. This little area around the base. Alright, good luck, little guy. We'll come back and water you. Alright. Do need some bananas now.
Yeah.
Alright, We got this wedding bouquet. Oh, this is 2.
Yeah.
Holy cow, look at that, guys. Now we scored there, didn't we?
Should we put it right there?
Where, at the end?
Like between where the next bananas are gonna go?
I don't know. Let's see, what am I gonna do with this one?
Stick it in this little garden, maybe? We're gonna
No,
do
not ready.
passion fruit right here, so this needs to all be open, and then
Maybe I'll put it with this other one.
yeah, make it
2
a
of them
double.
over here.
Yeah, I think that'd be cool. They're like dancing. Now they're not. All right. Yeah, that looks cool.
All right, this one,
Let's put it by the pool.
I'm gonna put it in the pool area.
I think so. Looks like it'd be a
Worry
good
about
one
the
for it.
soil over there being good enough for it or not, I don't know. I guess all those other,
We could put it on the other side of the pool outside the screen where the pumpkins were. The
yeah, okay.
cooties.
Yeah, we'll do that.
And maybe we could stick this wedding bouquet over along the bananas, maybe
Yeah,
somewhere.
got 2 of them here. I'm gonna need a bigger shovel. We might have to plant these guys later. So I'm gonna need a big shovel for those. So let's go
Alright.
put this little one in the ground and
And then go get a shovel. Scope out an area for those.
where's my shovel?
It's right there, underneath the crinum lily. Do you want to just bring this one over there, bring the pot over there, and because I think that's where we're gonna plant it. All right.
All right. So let's see, this little guy right here, we'll put him right here with this other quarter line.
Cool.
Back a little bit. It's gonna get slightly taller and put something smaller in front of it. I don't want to get a bunch of mulch down in that hole. There we go. That. Good luck, little guy.
All right.
Let's see,
So we could.
so we need a big shovel.
What about putting the wedding bouquet by the kids' fort?
Yeah, maybe. I'll tell you what, let's go get some better tools for those 2, and then we'll regroup and get back with everybody.
All right, sounds good. See you in a bit.
All right, y'all, back at you. We got our tools, so we're gonna go ahead and finish up here. Get these in the ground. Now, I gotta be careful because there's a sprinkler line somewhere in here, so just gotta dig further back. Get rid of these fence posts. Gonna plant it here next to this other plumeria we got going. There's a root. How big's the root ball in that one? Let's see.
It's pretty big.
It is. This one. It's pretty big. We'll use all these too. I don't know about this one, babe.
All right.
I'm definitely gonna do this one.
Yeah.
This one looks good.
We have kind of a lot of that one.
Yeah,
anyway.
we do.
Hey, we'll put it out in our landscape pile.
Yeah.
And
Some other plant pirates can come along and take it.
it's still a good plant.
What?
Because it's still a good plant.
Yeah.
Still green on it. It's definitely not as good as the other one, though.
Trash in here. Hole a little bigger. Biggest hole we can get. That's Jesus Bible.
Nice.
Alright, there we go.
All right.
Alright, we got all the plants in the ground.
Yeah, we did.
Always feels good. It's fun to find these plants, but then
Yeah, it's like a
there's
ticking
like a
time bomb.
bomb. We gotta get them in the ground.
Yeah.
So. Alright, cool. We got them in the ground. We got this plumeria next to this one. We'll have a couple varieties with the corner line popping out.
Looks good.
Sweet. Alright, well, I tell you what, let's wrap it up here because we gotta water all this stuff and it looks like it's about to rain.
Yeah,
Maybe we don't have to water it.
yeah.
I don't know.
That's the best way to water is with the rain, right?
Yeah. Alright, y'all. I hope you like our video, and we'll do this. We'll shoot one for the next plant pirates we get too. Show you where we put all those plants too. So
Yeah.
until next time, everybody, take care.
Bye.